Hey, this is Manish, and there is a small detail in the chart that 99% of traders just simply don't see. They look at candles, levels, and noise, but miss the moment that changes everything. This moment is when the market ceases to be what it was a second ago, where it loses its trend and it changes direction and begins a new phase. Most people see this too later, after the reversal, and after the loss and after the getting panic. Today, I will show you this detail. I will show you how I read it in advance and how it gives you trades that looks like you see in the future. If you want to see the market the same way, subscribe now. In my Telegram channel, I analyze these details every day. Post screenshots and trades, and the AI bot flags trend reversal before the crowd does. The link is in the description and don't miss it. Okay, now I will show you that very detail. It is shown by a simple but ingenious indicator, Aaron. Why this one? Because Aaron shows not the price movement but the structure of participants' behavior. It records how long ago the market made a new high or low. This is like a pure psychology. When Aaron up rises and buyer dominates the market, when it falls, buyer loses trend. And when an Aaron down rises, seller begins to take over the market. And here's what's important. This happens long before the candles show a reversal. Most traders look at a candlesticks, at the short and at the shadow, at the noise, but the candlestick is the reason. Aaron is the cause, and if Aaron up starts to fall, it means only one thing: the market has stopped setting new highs. The crowd doesn't see it yet, but the market is already dead. If Aaron is down rising, it means the market is starting to renew its low, and this is a signal of the strength of sellers, which the candlesticks will only show in a few minutes. My logic is simple. First, Aaron up falls and buyers loses trend. Second, Aaron down rises, sellers look to take control. Third, crossing lines, a movement or structural change. Fourth, candlestick, confirmation entry. No confirmation, complete disagreed. That's it. No guesswork. No. So I think just the structure. The most important thing is that Aaron shows a reversal, not at the moment, but even before it becomes obvious. That's why 99% of people miss it. Look, the market is still growing and the candles are green here. So the crowd is buying, but Aaron up is falling, which means that the market is not setting new highs. The market is empty and there are few buyers. The crowd is blind at this moment. Aaron down starts to rise. Here it is a change in structure. I wait for a confirmation from the candlesticks and open it down a trade. Plus 316 a minute. The crowd was still buying it. Here, everything is the opposite. The crowd is in a panic and the candles are red. So everyone is selling, but Aaron down is rising. So which means that the market has hit a net low. And now sellers are high, losing strength with each subsequent movement. Shadows from below and buyers are quietly observing volume. So Aaron up is starting to rise, a moment for a structural change. Entry up and plus $310. Do you know why 99% of people don't see the details? Because they react to the price rather than the structure, and emotions replace the logic. They look at the candles, not the strength of the moment. They see the consequences, not the causes, and the crowd sees the movement only after it has happened. A professional sees the movement when it is just the beginning. And this is confirmed by recent news. Bloomberg writes that in November 2025, large funds openly admitted for the first time that their algorithms track not candlesticks but market structure. Indicators that show a shift in a trend. Why? Because large models see reversal when it comes from within, not when the crowd start to panic. So this is exactly how Aaron works. If you want to see the details in advance, go to my Telegram. There you will find an AI bot that tracks structural changes, copy trading, signals based on logic, not on emotions, close analysis, and real entry points provided by the market, not through YouTube. 99% look at the candles and 1% look at the structure. 99% react and 1% see ahead. And Aaron is the detail that moved me from the crowd to those who understand the market. If you want to learn see the same way, subscribe, like, and check out my Telegram, and see you until the next video.